Assalamu alaikum, pre-9th class. I'm your teacher Ma'am Hira and this is our lecture of biology. Yesterday we have learned about levels of organization and today we are going to learn the remaining levels of organization which we have not done yesterday. So starting with the very first one, which is individual level. Let me tell you what is individual. We have read about cells, subatomic, atomic, molecular, organelle, organ system, etc. So what does an individual exist of? It organs, different organs and organ system. Remember, different organ plus organ systems. We have read yesterday in the organ is the stomach and organ systems is the digestive system. So different organs in cooperation with different organ systems make up an individual, make up an complete organism. Different kinds of organism. A complete individual is made up by organs and organ system. Next to that is our population. You all maybe have been familiar with the term population. Means something, the quantity or the number of people living at the same place at same time. That is termed as population. So what is population? When different organisms are made by the help of organ and organ system. When these organisms live at a place, at a certain place, in accordance to number of people living at the same place at same time, it is termed as population, which live at the same place, share food, share shelter, etc. That term is called population. Next to that is community. Community is related to population, but in community there is a slight change. That community is the number of different communities. Here comes the different word. Population is the number of same people and community means different people. For example, the example of community is a great example, that is forest. In a forest there are number of different kinds of animals that live at the same place at the same time. There may be lions, there may be cows, there may be birds, insects, everything. Every kind of animal, every different kind of animal which belongs to a different community live at the same place at same time. So that term is called the community. Communities are of two types, that is common and complex. Let me tell you that as well. One community can be common when there is less difference, and it can be complex as well when there is high difference, just as that example of forest. Forest is an example of complex community because a number of different people, number of different things, communities, populations share the environment or habitat of that place. And for common community, the difference of the community is the limited. Certain amount of communities live at the same place. Alright guys, and the last is biosphere level. Let me tell you in detail. So what is bio? Bio means life. And what is sphere? Sphere means the part of globe. What is globe? As you all know that the earth is in a shape of a circle, a sphere or a globe, and different regions are marked with the sea water, with land, with the forest, with the greenery, etc. So the part of that globe, which part? The part of the globe at which the living organisms or the life is found, that part is called biosphere. The part of the earth, the part of the sphere where living things are formed, where life is available, where life habitate or inhabitates itself, so that part is called biosphere. The whole part of earth on which life appears, either in the form of plants, animals, human beings, etc. The part which is consumed by the life, which that part is called biosphere. So these were the remaining levels of organization. I hope you guys have understanding of these concepts as a whole and individually as well. I have tried my best to give you examples for your better understanding. Still, if you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you, my dear class.